Welcome back, class. This video is going to discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers and give you some further insight into your current unit. So your first entrance ticket question is, what is abstract? And the answer or definition is that abstract art is art that's represented unrealistically. So you're going to type that definition in for your first part of your submission. And as you see in these two images, these are great images that show two what look like female figures, female subjects using color in abstract ways. So the image on the far left is sectioning the color into separate section blocks. Where you can almost see the eye here, their right eye, our left, and then the other eye here, the nose, the mouth, and even the jawline, along with the hair flowing in the background. But the work is abstract. It's represented unrealistically. We would obviously never see a person looking like that in real life. But the color choice and the way the color is applied is showing a certain emotion. And the one on the right is a little bit more true to the assignment objectives that we're doing for this project, where you can see the subject, but the artist decided to add color in a way that would very specifically show a very clear emotion. So the emotion I get from that artwork is I can again see a female figure, her eyes are closed, she almost looks like she's sleeping, or even more so, you can see the color almost encompassing her, surrounding the top portion of her face, almost like she's overwhelmed or she's being taken in by all this stress, by all these things that might be going on in her life. So I kind of get the feeling of lost, trapped, overwhelmed, with all the constant rhythmic colors going back and forth. That's kind of what I get from that. But again, abstract is just art that's represented unrealistically. And moving on to our last slide, your follow-up question is, how can viewers have different understandings of the same abstract work? So here you have an image of truly, I don't know what it is, it's just an abstract work. Unlike the images above, I cannot tell the subject. But when you're looking at a work that's this abstract, you can't really always identify the subject. To answer the question above, we basically look at works, and even if we understand what it is, we always apply our own life experiences into the work. So we immediately see something that we have seen before, or see something that just reminds us of something that happened in our past. So this little character on the left here, he's saying that I see a bunch of musical instruments or an orchestra. It's like a bunch of people playing in an orchestra. And over here on the right, you have this figure saying I see a bunch of cars in action on a freeway, like all kind of crashed and piled up together. So even you, as you're looking at this now, I'm sure you're thinking of your own separate answer to that, or your own meaning behind the artwork because of things that you've seen, you've experienced. And I love doing these or showing this picture live in class and hearing student responses. I always get great responses, and they're always different, what everyone sees. And again, it's for that same exact reason that we all have different understandings based on our own life experiences. All right, so just to reiterate, abstract art is represented unrealistically. Please make sure you are adding color in an abstract way in your project. And lastly, we all have different understandings of the same abstract work because of our own life experiences. That is the conclusion of this video. And after you're done watching this video, please complete your entrance ticket. And then after you're done your entrance ticket, just watch the video that follows and then submit your work for today. All right, guys, have a great day, and I will see you later in class. Bye.